Hey guys, it's Ashley
and Mary Kay,
and I literally just started this YouTube video channel, whatever, 20 minutes ago because we were bored, and that's what we bring you to, like a couple things to do when you're bored, because literally we searched up everything on the internet and there was nothing to do. So yeah,
let's get started, but we can't stop it because
let's get started. Can we just merge, like, seems though? Whatever. Alrighty. So the first thing to do when you're bored is to start a YouTube channel because it's really fun. And like, even though there's, like, terrible stuff, and, like, we're not very good YouTube people. Look at how cool this is. It's fun to do, like, I mean, like, the people with professional cameras, like, are, like, so good at YouTube, but, like, no one can do that, okay? So, yeah. And the video, it's, like, the first day of summer, actually, today, and it's raining.
Raining? I mean, okay, let's get on to...
Okay, but also, all summer, we're probably, well, not, like, every day, a video, like, we're probably going to post sub videos during the summer. So just stay tuned for that. Yeah, but this video is going to be 10 things to do when you're bored.
She's talking too much.
So let's go. Second thing, I mean.
Is to bake. Unless if you're too lazy and you don't want to clean up the mess, because then you get in trouble because your parents yell at you and you get grounded, then don't bake if you're lazy or that day. But if you like baking, then bake because it tastes delicious after. I mean, who doesn't like cupcakes, brownies, or cakes?
Okay, let's go together.
Or cookies.
Third thing is to go to the pool. I mean, today we obviously can't go to the pool. First of all, because they probably closed it because it's not raining, but it's like not a very good day. It's not warm or anything, so they probably, no one's probably there, and it's probably like cold and.
And don't worry. I know sometimes in board videos they say go to the go play in your pool, and you're just like, I don't have a pool, like, because we live in Ohio, we don't live in Florida where it's always warm.
That was my phone. I'll be right back. But yeah, that's just like go to the pool. It's not great. Go to the pool, like a pool or a lake, or like
a beach if you live in like South Carolina,
or an ocean.
Okay, number 4
is to like paint your nails.
Spa day.
Yeah, because you can do anything. Oh yeah, spa day. You could do spa day. Okay. By the way, we're just randomly, like, kind of thinking of these ideas,
okay,
so...
Another thing you should not do, don't tell your parent, or mostly mom, because then she'll be like, oh, clean your room. And then another one is, do chores. And you're just like, why would I do chores if I'm bored? Because that's boring. And then... you should not read a book. People always say read a book, but I'm just like, that's boring. Why would you want to do something boring when you're bored? So, I mean, unless if you like reading books, then you could just
yeah, some people like reading books, but me?
You'd probably be doing that by now. Unless if it's like Diary of the Wimpy Kid or something.
There's people walking. Do you want me to show you them?
No.
I'm kidding. No, I'm kidding.
They don't have permission.
I wish we had like a camera, because we could like.
Okay. Stop.
Okay.
Weird. Number 5 or 6. 5, I think.
I don't know.
It's summer.
Is you could like not clean room, because who would want to do that?
You can make it cool,
like a summery thing. Like, do you see that? Here's a hack. First, this is a hack. Use, like, a shoe thing and you can put all your perfumes or something in there.
And
savage.
Also,
make a Musical.ly.
Number 7, make a Musical.ly if you don't have one. Then get it, because it's super fun to do.
I will show you what my account is, like, and then I'll show you if you should, like, look what a Musical.ly is. It's really fun. Like, I'll show you some examples. on my channel.
Show yours, one of yours, and then one of mine.
This is mine. Which should I?
Or you could do one of both of us. Don't
Yeah.
do one that swears in it though. That would be bad. Just do.
Here's an example. It's like a music video. It's really cool. It's fun if you're bored.
Bang, 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 down. Hey, I'm just feeling myself right now. Hey, really rock on it.
Here's like another example. And then you could also do. Yeah, hold on. You could also do ones that are like singing too. You could do it in fast. I like fast.
Please. Say please. And I know they really wish we would fall till we fall on the big bad wolf in the full moon, y'all. Money in the air, watch how you dreams hit the floor.
And then I'll show you my kids, but this is mine. I'll put it in the description. I'll put ours in the description.
By the way, again, if you didn't know.
Wait, what's your account? Oh.
This is Ashley again. And I marry Kate, just so you're not watching random people.
Yeah.
If you didn't hear us. You're quiet.
Here, you search it up. But honestly, it's like my favorite app. I've been liking more than like Instagram. Because you could follow your friends. I'm sure most of your friends have it. I'm guessing. I hope they do because it's fun. But if they don't, how about you tell them? Because it's really fun. So okay, here's a couple of hacks to that. Put it in fast, and I would put it on timer. So then you can set up.
It's okay.
You just hit timer, and you could set it up so you're just ready. So it's really fun though. Make music videos, to watch your friends' music videos, to do anything.
Okay, just do the next one and I'll.
Yeah, she'll find it later. I'll actually put her link in the description. So since she can't find it, I'll put both our links in the description, so you could go follow them. And
this is one of mine. It's a music. To believe I'm making
here, I'll show you.
soaring. Okay, so do this one since it's summer. Go for it.
Okay, go follow us. Yeah.
That's a music one. This is a one.
Wee.
This is a comedy one.
No. Is your dog sick again? No. Gotta pick up your parents from the airport? No. Did you get grounded? No. Are you going out? No. I really just don't like you. Hey, you wanna come hang out?
There's comedy, movie dialogues, Disney,
Here, we'll show you.
popular music. You could do comedy or.
These are all the things they have.
Yeah, there's a ton of categories. We won't go through all of them because this is gonna be longer than 15 minutes. Okay, next one.
Sorry, that was really long.
And the next one.
Binge watch a TV show. I do that all the time on Netflix. It's awesome. Or binge watch YouTube. If you can't really do that, just watch a bunch of 7 Supergirls.
Here's some, or watch YouTube also, but here's some Netflix shows that
Worst
you
Cooks.
should recommend. Worst Cooks. They have Minions on there now, the newest Minions.
I know this may sound a little weird, but it's awesome show. Strawberry Shortcake and the Fairy Adventures. It's a good show and it's awesome to binge watch. All 4 seasons.
They have Minions on there. They have Hotel Transylvania 2. They
Girl Meets World if you like Disney Channel.
It's so stupid. They barely have any SpongeBob or anything. But the stupid thing is that they just did it now. They only add some new movies. They don't add all the new movies, which is stupid. Because I want to see all the new movies and stuff. But they take a year to come out. I'm
and another one is Total Drama Island. It's a little.
a tiny bit, not really.
Yeah,
just not language, but it's just kind of weird. Well, not real. Oh, a little bit.
It's just has some inappropriate parts. It's not that bad. It's not a rated R thing. It's probably just.
Yeah. So
that's good.
next,
Wait, which one are we on? 8.
whatever number this is.
9 or 8, whatever.
Whatever. Who cares? If it's not rainy, go inside and play like that. It's not raining. Or
Also, you can
play with your pets.
try to find money around your house, and then you could like ride your bike to like Dairy Queen
Yeah.
if you live close to it, like we do.
Like the places that we live close is like ice cream places. You could go to like convenience stores, maybe like
CVS.
yes, Walgreens, CVS, or like you could ride your bike to the library,
Subway.
like to Subway, anything, or to the park, or to the pool.
Or the school when it's school time, but
Yeah.
it's summer, so who cares about school right now?
Cares. By the way, I'm going to 8th grade. She's going into 7th grade. So yeah, and so there's many fun things to do. So next one. All right. The next.
Hold on. Oh. Pretend to just do a bunch of stuff. Just pretend. Pretend. Here's some examples. Pretend you know how to tap dance. It's actually really funny. You know where you go like this. Or pretend you're
Dance
on, like,
party, movie night.
Or pretend you're on like Dance Moms and pretend you're getting the awards and you're all holding hands and you're like. Or just pretend to be like a spy or something.
If you have a trampoline or a tree, it's really fun to just come a tree. Or like ride your bike around the neighborhood. Like,
what if it's rainy? Just stay inside
Yeah.
and be. Yeah.
you can do anything inside. I mean, if it's like a bad day or you're just bored, like, and it's not raining, go outside and do a ton of fun stuff. Go to the pool, like play on your trampoline. Everything you can possibly do outside.
That's not boring. Like reading books.
Oh yeah, that's boring. Unless you like reading. Don't know who would, but comment below if you like reading books. Not making fun or anything, but just like I want to see if like someone actually is academic this summer. Not me.
Okay, I think that's it. Thank you. I hope we helped you and or if you're just like, no, this sucked, just comment down below what sucked about it.
Yeah, tell us, comment down below what sucked about it, and also tell us what we can improve on it, because this is our first video, and we didn't really plan it out, because we're really bored, and we don't want to plan it out, and also leave video requests. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next, well, actually, it could be any day. See you guys any day. Bye.
Bye. Toodles.